Hello guys, this is going to be a quick breakdown of this trade gold, which we kind of discussed with our Discord members. So this is a trade, and yeah, we did hit a stop loss, but we didn't execute this trade because we don't usually trade on Mondays. So we didn't really take a lot. This was just an idea of how gold is going to unfold during the course of this week. But unfortunately, Monday did what we expected on Tuesday. Okay. So this is gold. And as you can see, stop loss was hit, which is okay. But the truth is, we didn't execute this trade. Okay. So first thing first, we all know that each and every time we have to make sure that we know our next draw on liquidity based on higher time frame, at least daily time frame. The reason why I always say we have to know our next draw on liquidity on at least daily time frame is that smart money, guys, starts operating from at least daily time frame. So we have to know what daily time frame is gonna do, where daily time frame is likely to head to. So that is what we should understand as a trader. Okay, so what happened here, guys, is that number one thing, we did take out this external high here, as you can see. And after taking this external high here, price repriced back into this fair value gap, which was kind of overlapping with this order block here. So this things overlapping, this becomes a sensitive area, okay? And one, we can see that this Thursday candle failed to close above the Thursday candle failed to close above Wednesday candle. So this was an indication that price is likely to reprice back into this fair value gap here. And again, on Thursday, so on Friday, we reprice back into this fair value gap. And what I want you to pay attention to is the way these candles closed. The Thursday candle and Friday candle, the way they closed above and below our Wednesday candle. Note that this candle here, which is Thursday candle, failed to close above Wednesday high, and this Friday candle failed to close above below Wednesday candle. So here we have what we call single candle double page. Credits to MMX M Trader, because this is where I got this information, a very valuable piece of information. And go and research about double page, you'll understand a lot. Okay, so this thing failed to close above, and this thing here failed to do what? To close below. So pay attention to this Thursday candle. It failed to close above, and failure to close above was an indication that price is likely to reverse back into this fair value gap. And once we double patched into this fair value gap, you can see that Friday candle failed to close below. And this was an indication that price is likely to go for this external high here, which is what happened today. Okay. And before doing anything, I want us to check something here, which is something we discussed with our Discord members. So we have these sections here. If you are interested, guys, I'll leave a link in the description so that you join our server. And again, we have this here being our free section. Yes, we do share ideas here. And we have this one here being our premium membership section, which you are supposed to pay if you wanna have access to. Okay, so this one here is 400 pula if you wanna be in our premium membership, and it's gonna last for 3 months, 400 plus 3 months. Okay. And this is an idea I shared with our people. So this one was GJ last week, and it unfolded very well. And this was gold I'm talking about. Is an update or idea that I shared yesterday around half 9 in the evening. As you can see, gold heading into a new week, I'll be looking for buying opportunities on gold. Single double page into a daily fair value gap. IRL tagged, therefore my eyes drawn to ERL. As you can see, this was before gold unfolded, and this is something I shared again, my setup. As you can see, blah, 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 blah. And we frame our trades based on economic calendar. The reason why we didn't take this trade is because today there was no red folder news. That is why we didn't engage. So 1 hour time frame used as an aligning time frame. There was change in state of delivery as by program activation, followed by expansion, leaving behind a down close candle that we can use to look for more buying opportunities. And again, very, very important, pay attention to an economic calendar to look for the days that are likely to form low of the week. If price consolidates on Monday, then we are likely to form low of the week on Tuesday, as we have red folder news on Tuesday. Yeah, we do have red folder news tomorrow, as you can see on our economic calendar here. Tuesday, February 25, 5 p.m., we have CB consumer confidence, which is a day and when I expected to see low of the week being printed. Okay, so here I'm gonna wait for Monday to pass and scout for low of the week, maybe tomorrow, which is Tuesday. Okay, but unfortunately, Monday did the whole thing, took out my next drawn liquidity. And note that we also want to be below true week open if we anticipate a bullish week. We buy below true opening price always, whether it's daily opening price, weekly opening price, monthly opening price, we should buy below that. Another important point I want to highlight is that it becomes very easier to trade after low of the week is formed, as there will be expansions that provide more opportunities. So after forming low of the week, we know that that low of the week is our manipulation. So that manipulation is going to be followed by our distribution. So that is that with whatever I shared with our server. So let's go back to this trade. Where's that? Okay. So gold, after taking this thing here, we had to switch to lower time frame to look for buying opportunities towards the sectoral high here. You can see that before dropping to lower time frame, we have to know what is happening on our higher time frame. Our lower time frame idea is framed based on our next drawn liquidity on higher time frame. So internal range liquidity tagged, our eyes were drawn to this high. So the moment I switch to lower time frame, I already know what I'm looking for. So that is what you should do as a trader. Before dropping to lower time frame, you should know what you are looking for. And if you don't have what you are looking for, you don't have to engage. But if there's everything you need, that is going to be an easy trade for you to take without hesitation. So we drop to lower time frame. So when you drop to lower time frame, number one thing, very, very important, we had orders paired below this low here. I'm gonna delete everything. Okay. So this thing here, we had sell side liquidity taken in form of order pairing. Orders were paired below this low here. So we had our orders paired below this low here. And after pairing these orders, sell side liquidity was taken. And after sell side liquidity was taken, obviously price is going to do what? Obviously price is going to look for buy side liquidity. So what happened here is this candle was responsible for what? For sell side page. So the moment we close above this candle, we have what we call our change in state of delivery. We have our change in state of delivery. And after having this change in state of delivery, we had price leaving behind this down close candle, which was acting as an order block in this case, price repriced back into this order block. And then again, we had price pushing higher, taking out this high here. Okay, price taking out this high. And then after taking out this high, we had what? We had this thing here. You see? This is what you call a BPR. Price take this BPR, went up, leaving behind again this down close candle. So the moment we activate buyer program, we want to see price doing what? Respecting bullish PDRAs, and we don't expect to see bearish PDRAs being respected. Okay, we don't expect to see bearish PDRAs being respected. So as we are heading back to our daily fair value gap, we are on sell side of the curve. Okay, and as we go for this external high here, we have entered buy side of the curve. So the moment we enter buy side of the curve, we expect bullish PDRAs to respect and bearish PDRAs to fail. Okay, so that is why here these bearish fair gaps failed, this one failed. It was because we have entered buy side of the curve. Okay, so down here, then price left behind what we call a down close candle, which we could have expected to act as support to the upside. And then what happened here is price went below this thing here, but note that wicks are there to confuse you guys, okay? But we did collect sell side liquidity resting below this low here, or sell stops. And after collecting sell stops, price went for buy stops. So note that every time when we are bullish, we want to buy sell stops. So the moment we purge sell side liquidity, we want to buy that. But sell side liquidity collected, orders are going to be paired below this low here. If you bought, someone sold, your orders are going to be paired. So what I'm saying here is that when we are bullish, we buy sell stops. For smart money to go up, it should go lower first to collect sell stops. So we collected sell stops here. After collecting these sell stops, price goes up. And then here, this is where we completed our market maker buy model. So this high here was acting as our next drawn liquidity. So we purged our next drawn liquidity. After doing that, you are supposed to collapse all your positions. You see, sell side liquidity was taken. When we are bullish, we want to buy sell stops. Sell stops were taken. Now it's time to go for buy stops. Buy stops were taken. Now it's time to go for sell stops. We have sell stops resting below this low. They are taken. So that is what you should understand. If you wanna sell, if we are bearish, you sell buy stops. If we are bullish, you buy sell stops. So that is what I wanted to share today. Kindly like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Hopefully, you have learned a lot from this video. Yeah, thank you guys. And comment on something that you want me to share, or if there's anything you are confused with and you want to know, kindly comment so that I make a new video about that. So thank you guys. That's all I wanted to share today. Oh, before going, sorry, this is our Discord server. I'll leave a link in the description. And remember that there's a free section and also there's a premium section. It's a choice. You can go for premium, you can go for this one here. Even here, guys, we do share ideas don't think or we don't share ideas. As you can see, we share ideas, we share ideas, we share ideas. Boom, 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 boom. As you can see, we keep on sharing ideas. I share valuable information, and I also learn a lot from these people. So, guys, thank you until we meet again.